Today we will be making a delicious carrot cake. We'll start with making the caramel. Add half a cup of sugar and a tablespoon of water. Keep stirring until the sugar is caramelized. The sugar turns its color slowly. Keep stirring until dark golden in color. In this stage, add 1/4 cup of water. Turn off the flame, transfer, and let it cool. It's time to make the batter. Add half a cup of sugar and 3 cloves to a mixie jar. Grind this to a fine powder and transfer to a bowl. Add 2/3 cup of oil. That is 170 milliliters. 2 eggs. A pinch of salt. Beat until frothy. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Sift, adding gradually. Sift 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of nutmeg powder, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and half a teaspoon of dried ginger powder. Mix this to a smooth batter. Add the prepared caramel. Add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix to a smooth batter. Keep aside. Add a cup of chopped dates and 1/4 cup of chopped cashew nuts to a bowl. Sift and add a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Coat them in the flour. Add the coated dates and nuts to the batter. Also add a cup of grated carrots. Mix to a smooth batter. Our batter is ready. Pour the batter to the baking pan greased and dusted with flour. Tap, tap, tap. Bake the cake for an hour at 180 degrees. After bake, the cake looks really soft and delicious. It's time to cut the cake. This is the best carrot cake you'll ever be making. Must try this amazing cake recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.